Hi guys, I'm making a video of my third iPhone SE. This one is the 32 gigabytes. I've sold my iPhone SE in September. That was a 128 gigabyte. And then I sold one in 2016. That was a 64 gigabyte. And this one I got today. It's brand new. You can see the sticker still there. And she's 32 gigabytes. And I'll show you the box from inside. As usual, come with the pin and the stickers and the headphones. You can see it's brand new. Still got the wrapping paper on it, and the plug still got the wrapping paper on it. There you go. You can see that. And the headphones, the cable. The cable's there. So this is my 32 gigabyte iPhone SE. This is my third one. First one was 64 gigabyte. I got in 2016. Then it was a 128 gigabyte in 2017. And 2018 I got 32 gigabyte. And this one I'm only using for 7 months. And then I'm going to sell it again. And I'll get a new one on my birthday in 2019. And that would be iPhone SE 128 gigabyte. So here I go. I'm going to set my phone up. English, United Kingdom. It's a brand new phone. You see that? Stick at the back. There you go. Sticker. Set up manually. Put my Wi-Fi password. Just give me a second. So iPhone SE, the third phone. This is my third one I bought. It's a very good phone. Big I've got small hands. I want to use the iPhone SE. It's taking a few moments. I'm using gift mobile connection. So the phone is brand new. I've got the tempered glass on. You press continue. Continue, I'll do that later. Oops, 1 second. Set up later. Don't use passcode. Don't use. And set for new iPhone. And this one. Later. Don't use. And agree. Continue. Enable location services. Set up later. Share with Apple. There you go, all started. So it's all working now. So it's running on the new iOS. You just press later and just press cancel, and that goes away. Bluetooth off. Yep, all good. So the camera's there. It's allow. It's got the right back tissue box. Just a picture of tissue. Let's take a picture. Here we go. Oops, wait a minute. Very clear picture. Look how clear that is. Yep, so that's my third iPhone SE, 32 gigabytes. I'm going to sell it again in about 7 months. Thank you. Take care.